mga ka-legit Daver Cats! Isa na naman panibagong updates po tayo patungkol po dito sa video po na nagkalat ngayon sa social media kung saan bakit nga ba napayakap ito pong si Miss Tash Tasing, si Tash sa kanyang papa or daddy na si Mr. Aga Mulak. Ang lahat ng yan, but before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Bago nga tayo magpatuloy sa ating mga updates ngayong araw, of course, nais ko magpasalamat sa lahat po ng mga legit viewers, subscribers, and legit Daver Cats po natin na lagi nag-aabang at nakaantabay sa lahat ng ating mga updates. Maraming salamat po sa inyo pong pagsuporta at pagtanggap sa channel na ito. And of course, pag-usapan natin itong si Tasha kasi alam ko po na marami nang nakakilala sa kanya matapos nga na siya po ay ipakilala dito po sa TV5. Pero aside from that pala, pagkatapos po niyang makilala dito ay sunod-sunod nga ang mga proyekto na dumating po dito kay Miss Tasha, Tasha or Tasha Mulak, na kung saan di ba nakilala po natin siya bilang younger sister of Ellen, and everybody's very interested at talagang naging kaabang-abang nga ang paglabas ni Tasing. At alam niyo po ba, isa sa mga napansin ng ilan sa mga netizen natin na si Tasha Mulak po is kung paano siya manamit. Siya po yung tipo ng isang kabataan na hindi mo kailangan maghubad, hindi mo kailangan ipakita yung dibdib mo, ano pa man, para po ikaw ay sumikat. Tingnan niyo po, lahat po ng mga pananamit niya ngayon, makikita po ninyo na talaga medyo balot. Siguro sa first day po nakita natin na parang pinakita niya yung tiyan niya, 'di ba? Pero sa mga susunod na araw, puro naka-jacket siya, naka-sweater, 'di ba? Yun yung napansin natin na talagang pinapakita niya na hindi bilang isang Gen Z, hindi mo po kailangan na maging parang ipakita lahat, iluwa lahat, 'di ba? So kasunod nga nito, nakilala din itong si Miss Tasha Mulak bilang isa sa mga model po ng isang clothing line sa Pilipinas na talagang masasabi mong matagal ng kumpanya ito at isa siya sa mga kinuha or isa sa mga models na nakuha dito dahil na rin po sa ganda ng kanyang tindig, magandang muka, and of course maganda po yung kanyang track records na gustong-gusto ng mga advertisers. Alam nyo naman po na isa rin sa mga qualifications na hinahanap ng ilan sa mga advertisers na kapag maganda po yung publicity ng isang artista, mas marami pong lalapit na advertisers. So kitang-kita din naman natin na talagang si Tasing po or si Tasha Mulak ay talagang super close po sa kanyang mga parents. Ito po yung isang tagpo kung saan pagkatapos ng makilala si Miss Tasha Mulak dito po sa EAT ay sunod-sunod yung mga projects niya. Ngayon po ay meron po siyang recording, nagre-record na po siya ng kanyang bagong single na kinakakantahin at kasama niya po ang isang voice coach na lagi natin nakikita sa mga singing competition na siya po yung isa sa mga nagbo-voice coach doon po sa mga baguhang singer. So pagkatapos nga nito, syempre surprise po siya ng kanyang daddy. Dinalaw po siya doon sa recording room, kung saan nandun po siya nagre-record. At isa yan sa mga pasabog at sorpresa nga na ilalabas nga nitong si Miss Tasha Mulak ngayong taon ng 2023. Maaaring sa EAT niya po yan iparinig, and kasabay nga nito is na itampok na din po siya at nakita na rin siya or na-feature na rin po siya sa isa sa pinakasikat na magazine sa Pilipinas maging sa abroad, ang Meg Magazine. My God, pag ikaw po ay napabilang dyan, international magazine kasi yan So talagang nasasabi mong may pangalan ka talaga sa showbiz at may pangalan ka talaga para piliin ka bilang isa sa mga sikat na magmo-model. Katulad po ni Miss May Mendoza, diba? At isa pa to, panoorin po natin kung paano po talagang pinahanga ni Miss Tash o ni Tasha Mulak ang lahat sa kanya pong graduation speech nung siya po ay nagkaroon ng honor nung siya po ay graduate ng college. Let's watch this video.
Director of Human Resources, distinguished guests, family, friends, and fellow graduates. It is with great honor that I stand before you today in this momentous occasion, as it is a time of endings and new beginnings. We embark on a fresh chapter of our lives, but before taking this leap forward, let's take a moment and appreciate and celebrate all that we've accomplished. From the initial steps into those lecture theaters and seminars filled with nerves and unfamiliar faces to this very moment and being able to look back at the unforgettable memories with those around you, which will forever be etched in our hearts. All the hard work and sleepless nights in the libraries to meet deadlines, becoming a community filled with long-lasting friendships from all around the world and different walks of life. This could not have been done without the help of the teaching staff of NTU. Thank you for the guidance, tutorial support, and contribution to the success of our time in university. And more importantly, thank you to our families for providing endless support and believing in us to achieve our goals and dreams. I can confidently say that we will all be looking back at our time here in NTU, filled with nothing but invaluable memories of joy and laughter with those next to you, especially during a time of constant change. NTU has taught us students how to adapt and be resilient during these challenging times, which makes me excited as this is just the beginning of a new journey for us all. Embrace new opportunities and fearlessly face challenges that come our way, knowing that we have the capability to do anything we set our minds to. Although the path to success is not linear, embrace failure as a lesson and let adversity be the catalyst for your achievements. Never shy away from sharing your ideas and making a difference as we part from one another. With the relationships made and our friends and loved ones who played a pivotal role in this journey, making such a positive impact. So with that, I'd like to express thanks and gratitude on behalf of the student body to those who have guided us and made our time in university unforgettable. A chapter in our lives that we can look back knowing that this is greater than a community and an experience beyond compare. So today, let us celebrate this incredible achievement and give ourselves all a pat on the back. Congratulations to the class of 2023.
For the university over many years. And Natasha, thank you for a wonderful accomplished vote of thanks. It's never easy to stand up in public and speak. I get butterflies every time I do it, and I've been doing that for more than 35 years. If you don't have the butterflies, you probably won't perform very well, but you wouldn't know for a minute that you had any nerves today. And that was a wonderful speech, beautifully delivered, and I think really captured the sense of the students' pride in the day and their achievements. So thank you for that. So as our graduates, we make you a promise.
Atasha Mulak.